Hi, welcome to Lake Park Campground in Lewisville, Texas. This is a Corps of Engineers campground, but is run by the city of Lewisville, so it's considered one of their parks. It goes by City of Lewisville's rules. If you are 60 or above, the daily rate is $11. If you're not, it is $22 a day. This video is looking around the outside of my RV the first morning at this campsite. The video to follow will be the video on the tour of the camp. Here I am entering the park. You can see the beautiful pine trees, especially on the left. I just love tall pine trees. I am sorry about the water spot or two on the lens. It was still misting. It had been raining for some time, and this was my last chance to get this video before I had to pack up my motorcycle and leave the next morning. Coming up is where you need to stop and register. The office is on the right, which I'll show you in a moment. First, I looked left and you can see one of two restrooms with showers, and to the right of that is the laundry, which you'll see a better later. Next, I'll just be riding around the park giving you a tour. This park is kind of surrounded by water. You can get a first glimpse of Lake Lewisville to the left and then straight ahead. Later on this video, towards the very end, I will give you a picture of the map and rules of this campground. Hopefully that will be a benefit to you. We are coming up on the back side of the park, and you can see that the lake's to the right. The second and final restrooms and showers are on the left. You can see on the right is cargo, trailer, and car dolly parking. As a matter of fact, that is my cargo trailer. Straight ahead, where we'll be making a U-turn, that is boat parking on the left. One of the rules of City of Lewisville is you cannot leave your trailers or car dollies attached. You only can have one other vehicle on the ground other than your RV at any given time. So I was only allowed to unload one motorcycle at a time. So far, all the sites I have passed in this video on the left have been 30 amp sites. Later on, we'll come to the 50 amp sites. You may notice to my right, in kind of the middle, there is car parking amongst the trees. As we make this turn, all the sites on the right are 50 amps, and that site's 59 through 78. There are only 3 other sites scattered throughout the park that are 50 amps. You will notice scattered throughout the park there's 55-gallon trash barrels that are emptied by park officials at least every other day. There is one barrel for at least every 4 sites. I stayed here for, I believe, 9 days while I was waiting for the paperwork on my house to finalize before I could leave the state and get out of the hot temperatures and humidity of Texas. So it was an excellent place to stay, even if it's overnight, passing through I-35 Lewisville, Texas. It's a great place to stay. Coming up, you'll see me pass through the dump stations. There's 2 on your way out. Since there is no sewer hookup, there is only electricity and water on all the sites. Coming up on your right, you will see the laundry. They have really good quality, not very old, Maytag washers and dryers. The washer's $1.50 a load and the dryer is $1 a load. We just passed the restroom on the right and shower, and it's closed right now due to COVID. The next little bit I'll be passing the sites I haven't already gone past before we exit the park. And on my way out here, you can see that the office again is on the left in this case. As I leave, you can see again the beautiful pine trees that's throughout this park. Again, it was a very nice stay. Hope you give it a chance sometime. Here is the map you can study with all the contact information on it and the rules. Pause as needed. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like what you see, please make comments, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe and follow along on my future journeys.